What's going on YouTube? It's your guy Topdownkickz back with another banger for you guys. And for today's video, I got these Indigo Lowtop 12s. I picked them up for about 30 bucks and it needs a lot of gluing, a little bit separation on the side, which is, here in this video, it needs to be dealt with. And on the back midsoles, it needs some painting and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this gluing, and I'll catch up with you guys here in a few. Enjoy the rest. On this next step, you wanna take the rubber bands, place them on the front of the toe, all the way to the back heel. Put as many rubber bands as needed. Make sure you cover every angle, any gap. And if you make a mess, like if you see any glue coming up out of the shoe, that's because you put too much glue. You wanna make sure it's thin layers covered on any separation. All right, take your time, be patient. And if you don't know where to find the rubber bands, you can go to Walmart. You can find them for like $2. You can get a nice bundle and it gets the job done, So I'm gonna let the rest play out and I'll catch you on the next step. So about 2 days of curing for the glue, the shoes came out pretty dope, man. I had no problems. A few creases from the rubber bands, but my shoe trees took care of it. So no problems, but we gotta get to this painting because as you can see, we need to get that done with. This is nothing on hand, freehand painting. This is nothing, just be patient. If you do hit the bottom soles, it's nothing. Take the acetone, wipe it clean, and continue back on painting. But yeah, man, if you have any questions of like what glue I was using, it was shoe glue. You can find that at any local store, Amazon. You can order it for around about $2 to $3. Matter of fact, you can go to like Walmart. You can find it for like $1, $2. I know I keep saying $2, but that's literally how much I spent for the glue. For the paint, you can go on Amazon, find some paint called Angelus, I think, or you can use that waterproof paint at Walmart in the paint now, but you're gonna need some type of coat clear finishing for the paint, because if you don't, the paint will wash off no matter what you do. You're gonna have to definitely order that on Amazon, and I think you can get a 4 to 6 inch bottle for like $8.99. It's not bad. That bottle will last you about a long time. Like I've been using the same bottle for like 2 years now. So, use that clear coat, acrylic finishing paint. It's like clear coats. Like it does have a lot of shine to it. So in some of my videos, I take a can of matte spray just to dull down from all that shine. But hey man, I never had any problems using glue, paint, coats in all of my videos. Matter of fact, of every shoe I restored, I always use a paintbrush, And matter of fact, I'ma drop a comment if you want me to show you guys how to paint using a paintbrush, because sometimes when you paint, you want to use thin coats. You don't want to paint on heavy. All right, but any more questions? Drop it down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.